In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share ClickUp lists with clients. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, managing tasks, or simply keeping your client in the loop, sharing a specific list in ClickUp is a great way to streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share a list with the right permissions, step by step, so your clients can access what they need and only what they need. Let's get started. First, open the folder or specific list in ClickUp that you want to share. This is the foundation of the process, so make sure you're in the right place. Double check that you're looking at the correct folder or list containing the tasks you want your client to see. Now, take a moment to ensure you're viewing the list in the proper list view format. This is important because the view you select will determine what information your client can access. By limiting the view, you can control exactly what they will see when you share the list. Next, locate the share icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon is easy to spot. It looks like a person with a small plus sign next to them. Alternatively, you can also select the option labeled Sharing and Permissions if that's more convenient for you. Both options will lead you to the same place. Once you've found the share icon, click on it to open the sharing modal. This is where you'll manage all the sharing settings for your list. It's a simple but powerful tool for inviting collaborators and setting access restrictions. Now, in the invite field, enter your client's email address. Make sure you type it in carefully, as any typos could delay the process. This is the address where their invitation will be sent, so accuracy is key. After entering their email, click the invite button to send the invitation. This action will send an email directly to your client, letting them know they've been granted access to the shared list. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate permission level for your client. ClickUp offers 3 levels of access depending on what your client needs to do with the list. You can select View Only if they just need to see the tasks without making any changes. If you'd like them to provide feedback or ask questions, choose the Comment option for clients who need to make edits. Go with the Edit level, which allows them to modify task details, but don't worry, they won't be able to delete anything. Once you've selected the right permission level, confirm the settings and send the invitation. Your client will receive an email with a link to access the shared list based on the permissions you've set. At this point, it's a good idea to let your client know to check their email for the invitation. Remind them to look in their spam or promotions folder just in case the email ends up there. This extra step ensures they won't miss out on the access you've provided. Once they've received the invitation, remind them to join your workspace. This will give them access to the shared list while keeping the rest of your workspace private and secure. Your client will only see what you've shared with them, nothing more. If you're on the move and need to share a list quickly, you can also use the ClickUp mobile app to follow the same steps. The app's interface is user-friendly, so you can easily locate the share icon and manage permissions right from your phone or tablet. And finally, if you ever need to send specific task details directly to your client, you can email a task from within ClickUp. This allows your client to reply directly via email, and their responses will automatically be logged in the task's activity feed for your convenience. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. That's it. Now you know exactly how to share a ClickUp list with clients step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.